Everyone, welcome back to another video. If Deepseek is not working on your device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end, follow my step. When you log into your Deepseek account, click on the start and then go to the login with the Google and select your Gmail account and then continue. As you can see, I am logging successfully. If you can't log into Deepseek account, it may be the cause to high traffic on this site. So wait sometimes and can check the service state of this site by go to the official website of the Deepseek and try to log in again and again. You can also follow some other way to fix this error. Go to the three dotted button and then go to the setting and then click on the privacy and security and then delete browsing data and select advanced and select all time. After selecting all time, delete data and again open the Deepseek site and check the error. If it is persists, then next is click on the Deepseek this icon and go to the site and then go to the cookies and site data and then click on the manage on device data and delete from here all the cache and then okay. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. In most cases, you can't log in on this site because of high traffic. So wait and try. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.